hazard flashers, left and right blinker, they all work. That's actually a new flasher relay. And you know, it's got the spots on it. High and low. Clean bike. Little bit of weeping on the base gaskets, but nothing major. Anything you would normally see. Everything's polished up real good. Got a couple nicks here and there. It's got a little gouge right there. The dang oil cooler. Factory rivets on the front fender still. You don't see that very often. These are OEM. They're not cracked. Don't see that very often. Got the little shorty guy on there to pull those in. It's got the zip off bags too. These are really sweet. Got a zipper there for them. Got one for either side. There you go. 77 FLH, 88-inch stroker kit, complete restoration.